Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to take a loan on Cash App. Cash App introduced a feature called Cash App Borrow, which lets some users borrow small amounts of money quickly and easily, but it's not available to everyone. Here's how it works and what you need to know. First, open your Cash App and log in. On the home screen, tap the Banking or Money tab. If the loan feature is available to you, you'll see an option that says Borrow. Tap on it and Cash App will show you how much money you're eligible to borrow. This amount usually ranges from about $20 up to $500, depending on your account activity, your payment history, and how often you use the app. Once you see your borrowing limit, select the amount you want to borrow and review the terms. Cash App will show you the repayment schedule, the due date, and any fees. Typically, the repayment period is about 4 weeks, and if you don't pay on time, late fees can apply. That's why it's very important to read everything carefully before accepting. If you agree, confirm the loan, and the money will be added to your Cash App balance right away. You can then send it to friends, transfer it to your bank account, or use your Cash Card to spend it. Finally, make sure you repay on time to avoid extra charges and to keep your account in good standing. If you don't see the Borrow option in your app, it simply means the feature isn't available for your account yet. And that's how you take a loan on Cash App quickly and safely. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.